I'm Shari De Jesus, Velma Imperial's #1 public enemy. All of you may know by now that she has declared war against me. Pero akala niya ata mauubusan ako ng ammunition just because she's more powerful than me. She doesn't know I have a nuclear bomb ready to explode. Handa na ba kayo? Ginahasa ni Eddie Imperial si Helena Alfonso at tinulungan siya ni Velma Imperial para pagtakpan ito. And there's a possibility that she killed Helena. Ginahasa ni Eddie Imperial si Helena Alfonso at tinulungan siya ni Velma Imperial para pagtakpan ito. And there's a possibility that she killed Helena.
What the hell is that?
Itong ingratang babaeng to, gustong ilabas tong video na to pag hindi ko binigay sa kanyang CEO position and Velma Beauty. The nerve!
Let's end this entire nonsense, Miss Vian.
You're quitting?
No. You're quitting. Dahil ibibigay mo sa akin na ang buong Velma Beauty. Or else, sasabihin ko kay Noreen. At sa buong mundo ang ginawa mo kay Helena.
Demanda natin. Sa ginagawa niyang yan, pwede natin siyang idemanda eh.
Hindi pa rin natin mapipigilan ang pagkalat ng video. Ilalabas pa rin to at masisira tayo kahit ano pa mangyari. That's gonna be leading to reopening of the case.